This sucker bubbled bad.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look bad.
It looks like shite.
See the bubbles? All these bubbles, you're supposed to...
It says put it on with a paintbrush, and we put it on with a roller.
Because we have so much area.
Yeah. Well, I'll clean up one of the small ones and try it with the roller again and see what it looks like, and if it looks like crap, I'm just gonna brush them off.
They don't look like crap to me, but...
I just don't like all this.
It's not like you want it.
It looks like a cold, goosebumped ass.
It kind of feels like it too.
Oh.
Put the covers back on. I'm cold.
That's what it feels like, man. Oh, God. Oh, yeah.
See, it smooths
Dude,
up.
it goes... So, why are you going to hit it again? Just to...
What?
Yeah. Hit it one more time.
With a coat of clear.
Clear, it's...
It'll look nice. I'm just gonna start sitting here sanding all of them.
Okay.
I'll be at this for quite some time.
On another level. Ooh, yeah. The glass is broke out in this one. So Russell's going to Killian's to get some type of, I wanted to say he said collision film. And it's something where you can tape it and then we can wash the car. So when a window breaks out, you can still drive it and do things to it, leave it outside. I'm assuming that's what that is, collision film.
Yeah, we got the window in the trunk.
Yeah, so we could hopefully get a template made. But we're just going to start detailing this one out, man. We're going to... So what we used to do for quite a while. Eric loves detailing cars. He's just so thrilled.
He wants to start his own detailing.
He's just ready to get after it, man. I know Eric's like gung-ho, like, yes, we're cleaning cars today. We're not putting up Christmas lights. Being sarcastic, he hates cleaning cars. Man, so I tried a magic eraser out on this chrome grill. Russell suggested that we try steel wool, and luckily I had steel wool, the finest you could get for window cleaning at Total Exterior Clean. And Russell's back here jacking around being stupid, I can already tell. But steel wool has been doing work on this chrome grill. It's freaking amazing how good this works. And then we're using a magic eraser. There's just some stuff in the paint that we don't know what it is. It didn't come clean. And so we're just getting the magic eraser a little wet and rubbing on these spots, and it's coming off. We're not doing it too much because if you go too much with the magic eraser, it'll eat through the clear coat. But this is night and day difference on this chrome grill. So the finest, what is that? What is the?
And with a little soapy water.
A little soapy water too. It's the 0000 fine the quadruple zero. Is that quadruple zero? Okay. And it's a super fine. It's super fine, kind of like me. No, they ain't talking about you. It's talking about me. Super fine. But that's what we're using. It's working great.
This is the face of Total Exterior Clean.
What's going on, guys? This is Caleb.
Caleb Washburn in the face.
Caleb's hat.
So anyways, today we're trying to get some keep busy work, and we're cleaning all these cars. So I started Total Exterior Clean. When did we start? Me and Caleb actually started that business.
December of 2019.
Kind of was nervous, but man,
It's
been
taken off.
it's been a really good business so far. You know, we don't just do cleaning, we do roof cleaning. We started that business to do roof cleaning. And so we're really going to focus this year on roof cleaning and Christmas lights.
Yeah.
Christmas
Christmas
lights,
lights
man, we love it. You like Christmas lights, right?
Oh yeah, that's my favorite.
This is jam. So
Everyone likes Christmas lights.
yes. So we do exterior cleaning, we do parking lot striping, window washing, yeah, residential, commercial, we do it all, man. We always say, we do it all, give us a call. We don't play, we'll get that stuff clean, like this bumper.
What's up, Alexi?
What you doing?
I'm on the second day of clearing these. I'm sanding them. I should not have used a roller on them. It was a bad decision. So tried to speed things up and made things worse.
How did it make it worse?
It didn't lay down. It's got a lot, it looks like orange peel all over it, so I'm having to knock that down as best I can. And then I'm gonna put the next coat on with a brush, so it's gonna be a longer day than I expected. But it looks cooler than it did already. I'm happy with how it's all turned out. All the loose stuff came off of them, and they look nice. So hopefully I can get these smoothed out enough and get the second coat of poly on there and make them look a little better.
This is going to the office, right?
Yes, sir. This is the walls in the office, 2 walls in the office, and then we're gonna paint the other walls. We haven't decided what we're doing with the floor and the ceiling yet, but this is the most involved section of the job as far as time. Just reusing all this old stuff and trying to make it look nice. So,
Dope place to chillax.
dope place to chillax. It'll be a cool room. It's gonna look nice. It reminds me of like an old warehouse in Chicago or Detroit or something like that, with all this on the walls that's been abandoned for 40 years, and that's what it looks like. So I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna sand for hours today and then start polying this up again. So hopefully it'll look nice.
These are like pieces of freaking art.
Yeah, and it's just unique, you know, like,
Ain't nobody else gonna have it.
no.
No one.
It
I
looks
mean-
awesome. I mean, somebody could definitely hustle this up. They could go out and find some chalkboards in an old school somewhere, and hopefully they've had as many coats of paint on them, and just have the vision to do something with them, really.
Yeah.
I mean,
It
they've been
looks-
sitting back there for how long?
Probably has been there.
5 years? Longer?
Yeah. And then the school was there. God.
And I mean, think about how many abandoned schools there are, just in America. They're out there. Think about places like Detroit. There is so much cool stuff laying around. You just got to have the vision to use it.
Let's go find some more.
Yeah. I want some basketball courts and bowling alleys. They make awesome floors
Do
and
we need
tables.
to use a chainsaw to get that out?
No.
I want to just use a chainsaw.
No.
Okay, we won't use a chainsaw.
There's got to be a better way. Today was another busy day around the shop, and we're
Crazy.
hanging out here in front of these cars. Chase busted his butt on today.
I didn't bust my butt on it.
Chase assisted in.
I assisted. Eric and Caleb did Eric did most of the hard work.
Eric did.
Eric-
Now, everybody chipped in, even Alex.
Alex got
On the
on there.
polishing
I
the
got
chrome.
on there with the steel wool.
They
Man,
shined up. They shined up. The chrome,
Looked so
came
good.
clean.
The steel wool was the ticket.
the ticket.
The ticket, the magic eraser was the ticket for some of the
Paint.
stuff, the paint, the stuff that didn't want to come off. You know, because we don't want to scrub too hard.
And they look amazing.
Yeah, they do.
They look amazing for being 1970s limousines that,
Set in a warehouse.
yeah, I mean, they look amazing.
They do.
The insides look amazing. So somebody's going to get some really nice cars. They
Yep.
are beautiful for what they are. Chase loves the Lincoln.
The Lincoln has the better body lines.
I like the Cadillac.
The body lines is what makes the Lincoln.
Yeah. I mean, it's cool. It's cool.
I like it. But anyways, man, we appreciate y'all watching. Please hit that subscribe button, the bell notification.
Leave a comment. Let us know what you think about the cars.
Yeah.
The whole process of these cars. We're going to have a video probably out by the time you see this of the cars being found in the warehouse where we found them. And then we've got some video of them being loaded up and brought to our warehouse. So
So if y'all didn't see those videos, go back and find them and watch them. And then they're for sale if they haven't already sold by the time you get to watch this video.
and keep up, because when they sell, we're going to be wishing them farewell. Bon voyage.
See ya. So anyways, guys, we appreciate you watching. Hit the subscribe button and do what makes you happy.
Do what makes you happy. We'll see you next time.
See ya.